Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Accounts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Snapchat account, and it shows due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Please try again later. And this message again and again comes to me when I try to log in my Snapchat account. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this message occurs to me? And this is occurs for two possible reasons. And the first one is, if you use any VPN app during login process, it shows that kind of message. And the second one of the reason is due to many failed login attempts, which means that if you try to log in your Snapchat account by using with the wrong login credentials, it shows that error message. So anyway, if you like to fix this issue, just follow me friends. So first of all, check it if your Snapchat app is updated to the new version or not. So once you check it, and then open your settings menu and go to general settings and click on this iPhone storage, and here it shows me all installed apps, but you can locate that Snapchat and click to open it, and one time uninstall and reinstall this Snapchat app. So by simply press offload app and again try to install it. So once you complete these processes and close all the windows, and finally one more time you can try to log in your Snapchat account. So I hope this method will work for 100%, but if maybe this trick not works for you, just try the second one. So by simply open your mobile browser and click to access the Snapchat support link and scroll down and click on this link, contact us. So here I select I can't access my account and slightly scroll down and then fill all the category by one, and the first one is username, and also put your Snapchat account linked email as well as mobile number, and this is for communication purpose. And here you can briefly explain about your issue. So once you type your problem and complete this CAPTCHA verification process, but due to some technical issue my request not sending, but you can try this method. So I hope once you submit your request within 24 hours you get the positive reply from the Snapchat support team. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.